Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy Warzone lobbies. Skill-based matchmaking, or SBMM, is designed to match you with players of similar skill. However, there are several strategies you can employ to potentially find less challenging opponents. We will explore methods like adjusting your playstyle, choosing optimal times to play, and even considering your teammates. Let's dive into how you can improve your Warzone experience and secure more victories. One common strategy involves intentionally performing poorly in a few games. This can temporarily lower your perceived skill, potentially placing you in easier lobbies. Another effective method is to squad up with friends who have lower skill ratings than you. The game's algorithm often averages the team's skill, leading to less competitive matches. Additionally, some players use a virtual private network to connect to servers in regions where the player base might be less skilled. Timing is crucial when seeking easier lobbies. Playing during off-peak hours, such as weekday mornings or very late at night, can significantly increase your chances of encountering less skilled players. During these times, the overall player pool is smaller, and highly skilled players are less likely to be online. Furthermore, some players find success by connecting to servers in less populated regions, where the average player skill might be lower. Experiment with different times and server locations to find your sweet spot. While these strategies can help you find easier lobbies, remember that continuous skill improvement is also a rewarding path. Dedicate some time to practicing in private matches or against bots to sharpen your aim and movement. Ultimately, the goal is to have fun and enjoy the game. Don't solely focus on manipulating the system, embrace the challenge, and celebrate your progress. A balanced approach ensures both enjoyment and improvement in your Warzone journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.